Good afternoon, scholars. Today we are going to be continuing with our math lesson and learning how to count one less. So as you see, Mr. Spivey has a tree. And these green cubes, we are going to pretend that those are green apples. So take just a few seconds and think about what you see on the paper. Very good. We should have counted 10 green apples on the tree. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 green apples on my tree. Now, I'm going to tell us a really fun story about a farmer who was picking his apples. So listen very carefully. Once upon a time, there was a farmer who had an apple orchard. It was harvest time, and the farmer picked his first apple of the season. So the farmer picks his apple. And how many apples does he have left on the tree? I'll give you a few seconds to decide. Very good. Some scholars are going to count 9 apples, so let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So, there were 10 apples. 1 less is 9. So we have 9 apples. Very nice job. Now, continue to listen to the story. The next day, he picked another apple. How many apples are on the tree now? I'll give you a few seconds to see. Very good. Some scholars are going to say we have 8 apples left on the tree. So let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So we had 9 apples. 1 less is 8. So we have 8 apples. All right, the story continues. The farmer the next day took 1 more apple off his tree. How many apples does he have left on his tree? I'll give us a few seconds. Very nicely done. We should have 7 apples left on our tree. Let's just count them to double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome job, scholars. So we had 8 apples on the tree. Then the farmer picked 1 apple. So 1 less than 8 is 7. We have 7 apples on the tree. All right, friends. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to talk about the homework that we have. So, as you look at the paper, you will see that we have some shapes. So first, let's read the directions together. The directions say count and color the triangles. So first, you're going to count and color the triangles. So you'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 triangles, and it said to color them. Mr. Spivey's going to go real quick on his, so just make sure that you do yours Really nice and pretty. Now, it says draw a group of triangles that is one less. Write how many you drew. So it says draw a group of triangles. So first we need to put a 10 in that box. And then it says over here, draw a group of triangles that is one less. And then write how many you drew. So first we draw our triangles over here. So we have 10 here. Remember, the farmer had 10 apples. And then one day he picked one off. So let's count these triangles to see how many we have, because we have one that is covered up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 triangles remaining. So over here, you will draw 9 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then you will write the number 9 in this box. Okay, scholars, so this is your homework for today. You will have a paper that looks exactly like this. Remember, you count and color the triangles first, and then write the number down there. And then you take one away, draw those triangles over here, and write that new number in that box. Friends, I'm so happy that you were able to watch this math video. If you have any questions, make sure you ask someone. And I hope everyone has a wonderful, wonderful day. Goodbye, friends.